All right. It's been a full week. Can I remember my hotkeys? Nice. All right. This one. Great. Let's make a video game. Oh, right. There's something with the... We ended last time. Something started flickering with the red dot sight here. I need to figure that out. But otherwise, pretty happy with the progress last time. Might turn off the fog just for clarity's sake, although it does look cool. All right, so we added, let's just start with fixing this red dot sight thing as a little warm up. So we made a debug that prints what it is currently hitting, right? What the raycast is hitting. So cube 3 is over here. Why would that be? Let's see. Okay. If anyone can let me know that the music and my voice volume are okay, that would be great. Let's get some code. All right, let's add our ray here back in and see what it's doing, because it's definitely doing something weird. Did I lose this chance? One last dance with my shaking hands. God, some of this music. DMCA free, baby. All right, where is my, here, let's do a little side-by-side action here. Yeah, that flickering is bizarre. Am I not drawing my, oh, this debug isn't actually what I wanted. This is the debug I wanted. I see. It's not scary yet. Relax. Yeah, sure, you can be a mod. Congratulations, enjoy your sword. Wield it well. I mean, is this scary? This right here? Wait. This is scary? Yeah, you can get banned, Boaz, that's fine. All right, let's see where. Okay, so like right now the ray's not even drawing. Where is it? Why is it flickering like that? Okay, let's look at the code. So we're drawing this. It is going from yeah, this is Mighty Beans. Okay. We are drawing a ray from, I gotta remind myself everything I did last week. It's probably gonna not make any sense anymore. Draw a ray from the start point of the gun to direction up, which is actually forward, times head to center corner. Okay, that all looks fine. Gotta figure out why it's why it's doing whatever it's doing. It's like moving around weird. So where did I put this script? It's probably here. Yeah, okay. Start point is gun part 1. So it's starting from here. What are we actually looking at? We are looking at the thing that the raycast hits from that start point. Is it like hitting itself or something stupid? Because this has a collider. I bet it's something weird with that. Because this started happening when we made this collide with enemies to do. Okay. That's probably it. Can we? Oh, we have to layer mask. Oh, that's so annoying. Okay, I at least know what it is. Oh my god! Look at those alerts. Professional. All right. Start a Google search on my other monitor so you don't see the things I have recently searched, like, I don't know, just dumb questions that no one should have to see that I had to look up. What was I? Okay. Raycast layer mask. Unity. Okay, layer mask. We have to make a new layer mask, and I have to remember how to make those layers. invert everything except layer 8. Yeah. Okay. So we want this to be on a new... Oh, wait. Can we just do that and it'll work? Excuse me. The ignore raycast layer might be exactly what we need. Yep. Okay. It's just that easy. We can go back to full here. Can we turn off our... Yep. That's what we needed. Ignore raycast. Okay. So what was happening there is... So this jank-ass red dot site we made last time is literally just... transparent red or translucent red cylinder. It's a physical object that we're scaling and positioning to look like a red dot laser. And what was happening there is we were doing a raycast, so we were checking from this position of where the red line starts forward and detecting the first thing it contacts with. So the first thing it was contacting with was this fake ass cylinder. So then it was getting confused and going somewhere else and doing dumb things because we want it to ignore this. So now that this is ignoring raycast up here, good to go, problem solved. You got red, although it's not going the right length, it looks like. It's stopping. Oh, you know what? It's going to, okay. So the reason it looks short now, so if you look, the red dot is stopping short of the enemies. The reason for that is the enemy has this bigger extra hitbox for aim assist. So we need that to ignore raycast also. So on enemies, we have this aim assist trigger, which is a bigger box that basically makes your gun lock onto the enemy if it's close enough to the enemy. So we're going to just also add that to the ignore raycast. And then we are going to apply these changes to all zombie. That should help. Yeah! Oh. But now the aim assist doesn't work. Because it needs the raycasting. Right. That's what this whole thing is, huh? We can also turn our debugs back off. So this is just a scale. It's this down here that makes you look at on trigger enter. So can it not use on trigger enter if it's ignoring raycast? It should be able to. Because it still has a collider. I guess they're both on the ignore raycast layer, but that should be fine. Yeah, we need the lock on. Too hard otherwise. Alright, what can we do instead? First, let's just double check that that is the issue here. Is it locking on again? No. Is it? Sort of, yeah. It is when you enter. But, okay, we might need to make a fancier layer than just ignore raycast. So, let's make a custom layer for aim assist trigger here. And call it, I guess the aim assist layer would make sense to me. Add those to aim assist, and then in our this thing here, we need to add a layer mask. So let's declare a layer mask up here. Although we want the inverted one, right? We want everything but, right? Now where do we declare what layers are in the mask. I don't remember how that works either. Let's see. Aim assist. And then if we invert it, it should now be everything but aim assist works, right? And we're flickering again. Nice. Let's see. Go away, Johnny. I will never show hog. You know what, Johnny, for you? There you go. All right, and we're just gonna. Oop. And we'll just leave this guy over here. All right. So, layer mask, we're doing. So we have set the layer mask as just aim assist, and then this should invert it so that it is everything but aim assist works for the physics. Well, it should be everything but aim assist and ignore raycast, right? Is that what we need? So now it'll. No. Is that the opposite? No, that looks right. Oh, but now it's stopping early again. Okay, we don't want. We do want it to ignore raycast. Oh, sorry, Berta. Did you miss the hog? There you go. Why are we flickering again? Okay, so the flickering was because it was hitting things in the ignore raycast layer, right? Or we fixed it by making things in the ignore raycast layer. Now we have the aim assist layer. Never been good at wrapping my head around layer masks for colliders. So we want it to. It's like a double negative. Ignore raycast. This is almost there. The problem is that it's doing the thing where it stops on their bigger collider because we're in the ignore raycast or the made that the aim assist layer. Well, what if we did... Okay. Let's get our debug back real quick so I can see what... Just double check. 'Cause I think it is colliding with the aim assist collider still. Yes, aim assist trigger. Wait, right there it's colliding with cube 4. Is that this? No. This? What is cube 4? That wall. Okay, so that's weird. What is the way to fix this? And is it worth fixing right now? Are we... Maybe we don't need to invert the mask. Maybe what we actually want is this. This. Now it'll only hit aim assist triggers. Okay. That at least makes sense to me. So what if we did this? And we're flickering again. Alright, what if we did this? That looks right. Almost. Ah, why is it hitting that again? Why? You're not supposed to hit aim assist triggers. They're in the layer aim assist. The created ones get created with the right layers, right? Let's find out. No! It isn't pushing to the... Okay, that explains it at least. That's why it's working for the first enemy, because the first enemy is placed and the other ones are summoned. Oh, okay. We just weren't pushing changes to the created zombies. Alright. Problem solved. That's why it wasn't making sense. Alright, next thing we're going to do is going to be a fun one. We're going to make like an ammo and reloading system. So actually what I need for that is paint. I'm gonna make a little icon. Let's just make it... yeah, let's make it wireframe and we can color it whatever later. Let's just make a little... do we not have like a... Wow, not great options here. Let's do... one of these, and then one of these. No, actually everyone but Verde can make a video game. I learned that by paying tens of thousands of dollars to learn how. I should have made this. Should have made these lines thicker in retrospect. Let's make a nice, big, cartoony. Okay. That sure looks like a bullet to me. Oh, right. And then let's go ahead and make this easier to work with. Like... No, do not maintain. Just make it a nice square. And oh god, showing all my files. Just make a new one called Unity Twitch. Alright, and now I should do this. So in Unity you can just drag and drop things, which is pretty awesome. So I just opened a file browser there and dragged it in, which is pretty sick. We're gonna make it a sprite. Look, we have a bullet icon that we can put on things. Great. We're gonna put this on the UI though. So let's first on our player, let's make a new script called ammo. Right. In here, let's make an int for max ammo, public int, current ammo, public int, max clip maybe. Then we'll have some reloading systems. So we're gonna have like a bool for is reloading. We're gonna have a float for reload time. That's probably, well, we can add more things if we need them, but that's most of what we're gonna need. Right, so we need to find our other script that talks about shooting. And I guess ammo should also be where we have a cooldown for like how long it actually takes to shoot, like fire rate. I think that's where that would be and makes sense. So let's look at that. Let's do, what would we call that? Fire cooldown? Sure. And we're actually just gonna make a public void shoot thing here, because now in our shoot script we can say every time we're clicking to instantiate a bullet, we should also get component, what do we call the new one? Ammo dot shoot. Every time we shoot, to do a shoot in here, and this is gonna do current ammo cool. And then we're gonna have some stuff like if current ammo is less than or equal to 0. Oh man, there was something I was gonna, okay, so remind me. I was gonna fix the health. When I just randomly, like 4 days after streaming last time, I was like, I remember why enemies didn't have different amounts of health. It's because I didn't do less than or equals to. I just did less than 0. So I need to fix that at some point. Add it to the to-do list. All right, if current ammo is less than 0 is reloading equals true. Another thing we need to do then is in here we need to say and get component ammo is reloading equals false. So you can only shoot if you are not reloading. If is reloading equals true, reload time starts counting down. If reload time is less than 0, is reloading equals false. And current ammo equals max clip. Then I guess also, okay, need to make it a little more sophisticated here. So we want if, I guess instead of max ammo, we should call it total ammo. Max should be, well, we should probably have both. Okay. Because we want to check if total ammo is greater than or equal to max clip. Oh, stop. There we go. And current ammo equals max clip. And subtract. So this is basically just saying if total ammo has enough to fill the clip, so if it is greater than or equal to max clip, subtract it from the max, or subtract it from the total, and add it to the current. So if you have enough ammo to reload, reload. What else do we need to do here? We need to... I guess we need an else here. Total ammo is less than max clip and greater than 0. We should make total ammo equals total ammo minus I guess minus total, right? You just use all of it, and well, then we don't know what number that would be, so we need to do that first. Right. For consistency, I'm going to put this before. All right. True. Reload time. Okay, and then after you're done reloading, I guess we also have to reset reload time, huh? Let's make a variable for it. Let's call this reload timer and call this reload speed. And reset it to reload speed, because then that's something we can change, you know, if you find something that increases reload speed. All right, and now let's see if I can remember this part. Unity engine.ui. Doesn't like that. Let's see. Yeah, this. How do we declare it? Deprecated in 2019 too. Huh. What are we supposed to do then if it doesn't work? Do you just not need it anymore? Oh, God damn it. It wasn't even any, it was me typing usent, not using. Woo, okay. All right, using UI. So now let's make a, for now let's make a UI text. We'll make it fancier after. Okay, it's text in the bottom left. Let's make text up here. Let's make it a little bigger. And we're gonna call this ammo count. And here, let's make a what do we want here? Just game object, and then we can just reference it. Guess that works. And just put it in update that ammo count text equal, nope, ammo count text get component. What is it actually? Canvas renderer dot text. No. Get component. Is it just text? Text that. Oh, God. Text that text. Current ammo. And then in here, ammo, we need this here. Is that gonna work? Okay, it is displaying. We just didn't set anything. So let's say max clip is 8, current ammo is 8, total ammo is 100. 8 out of 8, 4 out of 8. Why is it counting down its own? -1 out of 8. Okay, something's not right. -4. Well, it's going down when we click, so that's a start. All right, if current ammo is less than or equal to, is reloading. Oh. Right. Okay, reload timer needs to start at however long it takes to reload. Reload speed can be this, and we didn't actually make it so you can't shoot while reloading, did we? Nice! Oh wait, that time I reloaded right away. Okay, we're not resetting something. Reload timer. Whoa, no. Reload timer equals. Oh, I see what we. Okay, these need to be the same. Yeah. Okay. All right, 0 bullets, reload up to 8. Great, 0 bullets, reload up to 8. All right, that's pretty neat. You can still just shoot them as fast as you can click, but where's the next spawn? I feel like I made the spawner take forever. There you are. Are we not aim assisting anymore? I guess I should also make a way to manually reload. You know what we also should have done? Let's just do it. Let's make a whole reload action here and put I guess that doesn't work because we have it on a timer. Well, we can. Here's what we can do. We can put all of this. Wait. All of this in here, and we can say invoke reload in reload speed amount of time. And we can have all of this, because now what we can also do is make this much easier and say if input get key down keycode.r reload. No, same thing. Invoke reload at reload speed. But we also have to, okay, so the part we need is, oh, wait, no, all of this is wrong. Shit. So what we actually need is, we don't need this section at all anymore if we're doing it this way. What we need is, if we need this and this, might not need this at all. What is it? Nope. What did I just do instead of? I thought it was control shifts. Anyway. Can I not just comment the whole thing? Okay, whatever. So if current ammo less than or equal to 0, we need is reloading is true and invoke reload after that amount of time. Same with this. I don't think we need any of this anymore. What is the there's a chord for comment all. Is it not? Is it? Nope. Yes. Okay. Okay. If current ammo is less than or equal to 0, is reloading is true, and invoke reload at reload speed. Same if you hit R. Is reloading equals true. Another thing we should do is, let's do a 3D text. Why is that enormous? Yeah, sure. Let me use Text Mesh Pro. Great. And let's put this over here. Do okay. Maybe like a nice yellow. All right. Reloading text, and then we're gonna say in here, we're gonna have a reloading text, and I guess I should double check that my code changes are working. Oh god, reload. Oh, it only reloaded 4? Okay, something's weird. Something is not getting reset right. So what do we change? Are we not resetting something? We're invoking reload. Is it just doing this again? Let's say. And let's go ahead and put this down here. And should be reloading. Great. Nice. All right. Then what we're gonna do is get rid of this. Don't need you. If is reloading equals true. Dot enabled. What am I looking for here? Is enabled. How do I set active? And then just copy, and then in here we are going to down here. Set it to false. We're also going to make it start false. All right, so now we should pop up that reloading text while reloading. Oh, we didn't assign it. That makes sense. So that should be here in ammo, reloading text. Great. All right. So now while we're reloading, it'll say reloading above our head. Great. We don't have any sound yet, so that's a good way to do that. Should probably make it rotate to face the camera rather than rotating with the player. So let's All right. Where else did we use our transform look at? Because that's what that was an aim assist, right? Remember how to do that real quick. Is that in here? Player dot transform dot look at. Okay. So here we want. What are you looking for? Transform target. Camera dot main. Is that enough? Look at the camera. Ah, look at the camera backwards. Perfect. Thank you so much. That's very annoying. Because now we need to rotate it. Which means we need... Oh God, how do we invert that easily? Let's do it a dumb way. What do you say? Negative X scale, will that do it? Nice! So now we're out of ammo, we have a little reloading thing over our head, and it will always face the camera. Nice. All right. All right, now let's get fancy. So we have that icon we made, the bullet icon. I want to make it a counter on the screen that shows like your 8 max bullets or your 8 clip bullets, and then they go away as you use them, rather than just having the text, because that's cooler. So let's make something called bullet UI. Make a script called bullet UI. Oh, that's really gonna bother me if the I is lowercase. Okay. All right. Bullet UI is definitely going to need to reference ammo. So let's give it access to the player. Let's say I guess we need to do player equals. Okay. And then let's think. Got to make it scalable, so if we change max clip, it'll still work. So let's look at, let's say, max clip equals player get component ammo max clip. And we're gonna need to give it the texture, image? What are we working with here? I think texture. And then so we need to create images on the UI based on number on the max clip. Can we just create? Can we say like new UI image? List of sprites. Create a game object. Add component image. Set the sprite. Okay. Probably want an array. Like... array of bullet icons. Bullet icons dot length equals. Oh, length is read only. Shit, that's right. I guess that's why it would be a list, not an array, huh? We'll say bullet icons dot count, yes, equals max clip. What? Count is also read only. How do I? Okay, we just have to add things to it. So how do we go from that number? We're gonna have to do like a for loop, right? God, I definitely don't remember how to do this. No, I don't want a video. Int I equals, and then we want it to equal max clip. I is oh, okay. All right, starting at 0, I is less than max clip. I plus plus. Right, okay. Now we need to add to our list. Enemies.add. Okay, so where was that page we just had about creating a game object? Runtime. Oh, we can name it like that. Plus the index, okay. Hopefully that'll include that in the name. That would be great. And then we won't be able to reference it to add the image. Well, we can. We can just access bullet icons index of I, right? So here we're creating, and then here we can say bullet icons dot what is index of? Is that not what I'm looking for? Can I just do like this? Yeah. Add component. Texture. Why don't you like that? List count cannot be assigned to, it is read only. I don't know the syntax for lists as well as I do arrays. Object index of, that's to get the number of the object. How do I access the object itself? Which is what I really want. That's what I just Googled. Love to ask questions on a forum when I'm trying to learn something and have someone say, that's a nonsensical question. Count is just the length. This is not what we need either. What is just getting the specific list? How do I just get clear insert? I just want to find. Are lists not ordered? Is that the difference? Retrieving the data from an array or a list. Yeah, okay, it should just be. I don't know why the. Okay, so it's a problem with the add component texture, not with the accessing the list. Add component image. I don't think so. Oh. Fine. That was the missing piece. I didn't type useInt this time. Alright. Add an image and then bullet icons index of I dot aimObject dot get component image dot texture equals no. Yeah, texture bullet. Okay, why don't you like that? Main texture cannot be assigned to, it is read only. Okay, well what? Sprite equals bullet. And bullet is not a sprite, it is a texture. Fine. Do it your way. That should all work. Now in bullet UI, let's assign and then gotta change the image location. Like make it jump down for each one. So let's say, okay, let's do some math here. Icons I dot game object dot get component image. Is there position? Transform. Transform dot position equals. Is this a? Am I making? I'm not making UI images. I'm making floating sprites in the air. Can I do UI image? What are you?
Everybody get it up, it's the party song.
So there's this, and this is the problem is I think these game objects we're creating are not UI images. They're just going to be floating in space. Because we want it to be vector 2. It's going to be mad about that because this is a... I mean, we could create a game object 2D, right? Add a new game object, call it bullet icon plus the name. Well, let's see if this is at least making 8 sprites. No, it's making infinity sprites. Let's see. Are they? They're not getting their components added. Oh, this is an update. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Let's do this once. No, it didn't make any. Oh, we didn't set this. Okay.
Everybody get it up, it's a party song.
All right. Oh, these do look like they're... These do look like they're UI stuff. Yeah, they're canvas. Okay, that's good. I don't know why they're not actually showing up as... This is a sprite. You're getting source image bullet icon. They're just not actually displaying. They did create them correctly. Put them on the canvas. But where are they? What do they need that they don't have? Let's see. If we make an image, it has sprite, canvas renderer. That all looks the same. It's just that it's not making them on a canvas, it's just making them wherever. Like, if these were suddenly in here, do they display something? Well, it has a big old sprite at 0, 0, but it's not showing bullet icon. Let's see. Material none might be an issue, right? I don't know why it's not showing up anywhere. Oh, it is! It's down there! Great. Okay. Okay. So we do need to set position. Now, does that have... Oh, it does have a vector 3. And it's just that the Z is 0. Alright, so... X position. Well, let's see, what are you? Let's say... Oh, can I not convert that to a float? Oh no. It's probably gonna get mad at me. I times 50? Well, let's do that. We'll start at 50. Okay. Let's see what that looks like first. And then the issue of them not displaying is because they're not being set up within the canvas, right? So that should help that. Oh, there they are. 8 little bullets. They are at weird positions I did not tell them to go to, but let's try that. Okay, so how do we make them in the canvas? Can we just put this within the canvas and then they'll know? No. We need to create them as children. It's getting there. Okay, so when we're creating game objects, give it a... Let's just say create we can set parent. Does that do it? Set parent. Where does set parent go? That transform. No. Okay, so if we set the parent when we create them to be the canvas, why aren't you happy? Is set parent like this? No. Like this? Okay. Let's see if that helps us. Well, yes, because we didn't have to drag them for them to show up here. Now it's just a weird position thing where they're getting placed at -172 when I'm telling them to get placed at 700. So that's confusing. See where this gets us. Okay, better. Let's call it 1700. Give them a little more separation. This might be what we're looking for. Nice. That looks like bullets on the side of the screen to me. All right, now make it fancier. In update, we are going to say, okay, so we need current ammo. What's the best way to do this? Let's make a float called missing ammo. This could be private, actually. Missing ammo is wow, good typing. A component ammo dot max clip minus player get component dot ammo dot current ammo. So that's the difference, is the missing ammo. And then we're going to do another for loop, right? Oh, we can't do a for loop every frame on update. That's going to be a nightmare. So what we're trying to do is hide specific bullet counters on the side of the screen based on how much ammo is missing. So we're using missing ammo to find the difference between the max, and then we're going to use our list of bullet icons and disable them one by one if there is missing ammo. So we do need a for loop, because I don't know how else to do this. I equals 0. I is less than missing ammo. I plus plus. And then bullet icons. We want the max minus I, don't we? So like nested like this, bullet icons minus I. No, bullet icons dot count minus I. So we're getting the highest, then the next highest. Okay, that makes sense to me. Dot get component sprite? No, image. Is that going to do what we want it to? We're sure going to find out. So what it should do is as we use bullets, the icons will disappear. No. What does it not like? Index without range must be non-negative and less than the size of the collection. So I guess count would return. Let's try that. Look at that! We just need to refill it now when we reload. Hell yeah, that looks cool. All right. So then we need to re-enable all of them on reload. So let's add a reload function that says is less than dot count, and we can just do this, right? So for each index of bullet icons, enable the image. All right. So now we have those 8 bullet icons. Use them all up, reload. Oh, we didn't call reload. So now, in here, we need this to know about reload UI. And when you reload, reload UI dot get component bullet UI script dot reload. Okay. Did we make a fancy ammo counter on the side of the screen? I believe we did. Use up all 8. Reload. Oh no. Oh. Aha. Haha. Ha. We need to here assign like that. Little drag and drop action. All right. Reloading, reloading, reloading. Yes, that's so cool. Now we can take off this ugly one too and just use the bullets because that's way cooler. All right, so it is currently scalable, but the visuals of it are not scalable. So what we need to do to make it even cooler. Okay, first let's turn off this, and we can actually just disable this entirely because we have our cool bullets now. Nice. Okay. Now what I want to do is make that scale with clip size, scale how much space the bullet is taking up, each bullet icon is taking up on screen with the max, so that if I make 30, it'll still fit 30 bullets on screen and space them out correctly. So how will we do that? That'll be in here, and we'll be changing transform.scale, and also this 100 number we were using will be based on the scale as well. Okay. Okay. So image dot transform dot local scale equals new vector 3 right, and we will make it percentage of the screen. So we want screen max divided by max clip. So what is screen dot width? There we go. Screen dot height divided by max clip. And 0. And then this 100 should be also this, right? See what that looks like. Nothing. Where'd they go? Oh, no, it should be. Times. Yeah. Let's see where these are and what size they are. That's... Is that big or small? They're also all in the same spot, basically. Where are you? Oh, they're extremely large. This is our level down here. I see. Why is that? Oh. It's not a percentage, it's raw numbers of the... Okay. So... They're scaling to... Well... Position should be big. Yeah, okay, this needs to be... Okay, so their scale is up to 218 and 218 scale. We want it to be... I don't know. I don't know what size is right. We might have to just guess here. See what that looks like. Closer. Do we still have an offset on the... No, we don't. So I0 should be on the very bottom. That's what this is. Okay, so we do need a little bit of an offset. For instance, 0.5 times this plus all right, that is successfully dividing by screen space and placing them there in a way that looks okay. They're a little wide. I can fix that. Let's make the X scale. Huh? Okay, too much. Let's try one of these. Oh, you want to see the hog? Sorry. Here you go. This is hog. Happy to oblige. Okay, that still looks weird. Let's do... Oh, those look weird again. It's so touchy. They're so wide. Why is that like that? Why is 110 so different from 108? What? Okay, whatever. That's a later problem. Because now what I want to try is if I changed my max clip, it should now scale all of that. So if I say the max clip is now 20, because we got a different gun that holds 20. Uh-oh. Well, it made 20 of them. Where are they? Are they huge again or something? No. There's 0 scale. Why would that be? Also, is that updating it everywhere? Let's see. Max clip, 20. Lets me shoot 20 before. That's good. What happened to our icons? Where? Bullet icons are, yeah, 0 scale is what's doing it. Wonder why that is. So it's something to do with this weird janky fix we're doing. Okay, screen width, scale should be screen width in pixels. What's the... there's some conversion that's like to world units. Screen to world point. Cameraman. Let's just search what we're actually doing. These are all like fancier ways to do this that are not, yeah. Don't want that actually. I just want percentage of. Here we go. this math make sense? Probably not. Let's see what that does. No, that made them enormous. What did that do? Made them 0. God. They're positioned right. You can see that. Those look like 20ths. Yeah, so it's the scaling. Okay, so it's this, obviously. We want it to be percentage of the screen. What is their default scale if we do not change anything? 0? 1. And 1 is small. Also, why are some of them not enabled? Oh, they're not enabled after 8 because it's current. That's an issue with this, actually, because it's starting with 8 out of 20. Okay. They're in the right positions, they are just not scaled correctly. They actually need to be scaled slightly smaller. So, if... God. Okay, there's a way... So if this is scale 1, for this they need to be a little smaller, but if it was 8, they would need to be a little bigger. So it's like... It's tough. How do I... So they're being positioned correctly, which is good. Scaling. The problem is that scale isn't... It's relative to itself. It's not relative to, like, world space, right? So it's... What we want is them to be about... Oh, won't even let us do it because it's being updated. Oh, it's so close to being cool, though. Look at that. Oh, it's cool. Just need them to scale right. So... Problem is when we did this, it worked for 8 clip size, does not work for 20 clip size. So now they're just 0. I guess one thing that would help would be, okay, first we need to disable this so I can see some other debugs. And now let's say, nope. Debug.log screen.width Let's see what that actually does for us. Screen width is 1744. Am I stupid? Can we just do canvas.width instead of screen? No, that's the same. Wait, but does this change if we do like this? Yeah. Shit. Well, I guess that's kind of what we want because we want it to update. Screen.width is 1744. If we divide by God, I cannot wrap my head around this today. So that divided by max clip gives us the correct width. Is it just that? Do we not care about width at all? It should just be height, right? It's still just giving us zeros. So it's 1744 divided by 20 divided by 100. I don't understand how it's giving back 0 either way. It's 1744 divided by 20 divided by 100. 0.872. That should be good, actually. Do we just have to... Is it something really stupid, like we have to actually have parentheses here? Is it getting simplified weird? No. Why would that give us 0 for the scale? Just... You know what? I think I got it. We don't want to set the scale, we want to multiply the scale. So like this times, and then just this. Right? Because now we're going to multiply the scale by that 0.8 number we were getting. No. Where is it? Why are you 0? Why are you scale 0? Local scale equals local scale times what should be 0.87. Is times equals a thing? Can I just do this and do... I don't understand why... Yeah, no, that's exactly what we want. Why is it getting changed to 0? Transform.local scale. Relative to the game object's parent, it says. Oh, this is frustrating. So the scale of it right now is 1. Are we overthinking it? Is it this? No. Am I stupid in that the scale needs to have a 1 in the Z axis? Is that the way I'm stupid this time? Why is that getting... Why would that be 0? This doesn't make any sense to me. It's this number. It's screen height divided by max clip. So divided by 20, divided by... The max clip is getting set correctly, right? Yeah, that's 20. God, I really want to finish this. This shouldn't be hard. It's always something stupid that you get stuck on, right? Let's just, let's do something real dumb here. And say, print this for me. Tell me what you see. It is not what I'm seeing. What? Why won't you? Yes, okay. Zero. So it is something with the math. Is max clip an int? Is that why it's getting so mad? Oh god, it is something dumb with ints and floats, isn't it? Will anything break if I just change max clip to a float? Or a flout, even. Gaining? Gaining what? Knowledge? No. Skill? No. Yeah, it's gonna break everything. If we change everything to a float. No, that's not what we want either. I need to... How do I make... Hint to float. Mathf.round. How about that? Also, what are all these? Are we scaling? Oh my god, I think it's working. Yes! Yes! Alright, now... Let's... sprite dot... Oh no. Image dot color? Color dot... See if we can just do that. No. Guess we probably should have here if we no. We do this, and then if we can I just re-import from here, or do I have to? Well, that didn't work. Let's do it this way. Alright. Yeah, this is the hog showing screen. If you see here, if I click Johnny in the hierarchy and hit F to focus on it, there's a hog over here. His name is Johnny. Right, and now if we go... Bullet UI, bullet icon is this. Let's see if it turns it yellow. Yeah! Alright. Oh my god, the manual reload works too. I hadn't actually tried it. That's fun. Alright. Now let's do the ultimate test. This is gonna look extremely stupid, but let's do max clip. This is gonna be completely illegible, but I just want to see if it scales right. Oh, that's 100 bullets on the side. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Get through all 100 of these real quick. Get a reload in. Nice. All right. That is a scaling visual ammo system. And that's pretty neat. Let's see how big they are on 8. They're going to be huge, aren't they? Yeah, that's fine. Is the aim assist not working anymore? Might not be. All right. Oh, right. The other thing I was going to fix was... there's something I did wrong with enemy health, which is... What? Take damage. So what we did here is health is less than 0. We didn't do less than or equal to 0, meaning our randomized health between 8 and 12 didn't matter because it always took the same amount of bullets anyway. So now, enemies should take between 2 and 3 bullets. Some of them should take 2. Most of them should still be 3. So let's reload while we're waiting for more to spawn in. Nice! That only took 2. Alright. Randomize enemy health. Let's go ahead and make a little update here. Let's see. We're gonna want a zombie chase script here. Can I make? Oh, we need to take damage script as well. Let's say. Okay. What else do you need? Red flash, player, true. Those should all be set automatically. What else is on a zombie? Zombie chase, take damage, needs a rigid body. Okay. Yeah, sure. Right, freeze rotation X and Z. Yeah. See ya, Johnny. Why did it do that flying away thing that we had fixed? It's missing something. Oh. Child of take damage has not been assigned. That's right. It needs a... How does that work? Looking for... Child is aim assist trigger. That's right. So we need to give Johnny an aim assist trigger. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, I bet it's... Aim assist trigger's not a trigger. It's a collider. That makes sense. Okay, still flew away. Good. Oh, it needs a kinematic rigid body. There we go. It didn't fall over because it has legs. Oh no. All right. We got a new enemy type. We got boss hogs. Oh, we set it back up. This is a good game. Oh, nice. Got him stuck in the wall. Perfect. Bye, Johnny. Manual reload. Oh! Johnny just flew away. I saw it. Alright. I think that's going to do it for today. Didn't get maybe as many separate things done as last time, but we got an ammo system, a reloading system. The visual indicator on the side is pretty sweet. I think the thing I would want to work on next is like walking into different rooms and getting different camera angles. Yeah, we got a hog, which is a big improvement. I mean, technically we have 2 enemy types now. Something broke with the aim assist, which is sweet. That's not happening anymore. I think fixing the flickering red dot sight actually disabled the aim assist, so that's exactly what we were looking for. But yeah, that's gonna do it for now. Big improvements, obviously, hogs and ammo. It's my new gun store and farming equipment store combo that I'm opening. It's called Hogs and Ammo. I can't wait to see you all there. And we're going to use all the proceeds to make more video games. Thanks for watching. I'll put this up on YouTube also with the other ones. You can go check out the first episode too. That one was a little more exciting with the things that we actually did as far as movement and shooting and exciting things. But thanks for watching. Have a good one. I don't remember how to turn this off. I don't think I made a hotkey for it. Here we go.